Good morning, everybody. So today we're looking at the sides of a triangle on page 168. The next few lessons in the album looks at classification of triangles, and we start with classifying triangles by sides, and then we do classifying triangles by the size of their angles, and then we combine those two and classify triangles both by sides and angles. All right, so that's sort of the sequence that we're going through this morning. All right, the way we start this lesson is we give children different sticks to build different triangles. So we would give one child, say, 3 equal sticks with 3 of the pegs, the fasteners, and ask them to build a triangle. We would give another child 2 equal sticks and a third one different with 3 fasteners and ask them to build a triangle. And we would give another child 3 different size sticks to build his or her triangle. Depending on how many children are in the lesson, this is a lesson that you can do with quite a few children. So I would just keep giving them out so everybody has a chance to make a triangle. And they will all either be of this type or this or this. All right. Okay, so once the children are done making the triangles, we can ask each one to describe their triangle. And we'll start with this one here. And if we look at this triangle, of course, the most obvious feature is that all 3 sides are the same color stick, which means they are the same size. Now, beware, this is a lesson they've had in primary. They had it with the triangles from the geometric cabinet. The fact that we're now doing it with sticks is sort of one further step towards abstraction. It's more abstract in the sense that we're building the triangles instead of having them pre-made for us. Okay, so we can then go ahead and give them the term that this is an equilateral triangle. The etymology, equal meaning the same, lateral meaning side. And you can also point out that whenever a triangle is equilateral, it is also equiangular. Equiangular, meaning that all the angles are equal. Right? And I think at this point I would ask all the children in the circle to look at their triangle and see if theirs is an equilateral, in which case I would have them come and place it underneath the label. I would go through and do the same thing with my other 2 triangles. Okay, so we have our 2-sided, which is isosceles, our 3-sided, which is scalene. And again, just have all the children put all their triangles out. And then we can hand out the definition cards and have the child read it and then place it where it belongs. All right, and all these definition cards are in your album, so I don't need to read them here. All right, and then finally, if you want, you can do the 3rd period of the lesson by asking, what is this? What is this? What is this? And they have to give you the term. Okay, and like I said, for a lot of children, this will be a review of a concept they've seen before. So a good thing for them to do as a follow-up is they can continue to make triangles with the sticks if they like. They can maybe make paper triangles by measuring with a ruler. You could even have them make triangles using patty paper. If you're not familiar with patty paper geometry, you should definitely look that up. I'll write the name for you here. If I have time, I will show you some patty paper demonstrations. It's fabulous, just fabulous. It's patty paper is simply it's like a 5x5 square piece of what looks like tracing paper. And you discover all sorts of geometric theorems just folding paper. So it's similar to the constructions that we did with the compass, but it's actually easier, and they're really fun. And patty paper geometry comes with a whole curriculum. It comes with books and booklets, teacher books and student books, and you can use it all the way up through upper elementary. I've used it in middle school to teach geometry because it's such a great curriculum. Okay, so it's patty paper, P-A-T-T-Y. Okay, thanks guys.